Welcome to the overview of the Mailingboss dashboard. To access the Mailingboss, you will have various options. You can either go to the top navigation and click on Tools, or on the left menu, go down to Engage and click Create Email Sequence. Or, if you have added Mailingboss as a favorite, you will be able to access it faster by clicking right here. Once you have clicked on either of them, you will be taken to a screen looking like this. Here, you will see an overview of all your email activity, your subscriber lists, workflows, subscriber sources, and tags. You will also see a very important area right here, which is your default configuration for the default company with the sender email. Default means that all email going out will use the company email if you do not change it in the sequence, broadcast, or campaign. Below the default configuration is the quick action menu. You can create a subscriber list, create an email. It will give you the option to choose between campaign, email sequence, or broadcast email. Then you can create a workflow here. A workflow is where you can automate your email sequence according to certain actions your subscriber has taken. You can also create a template. You can create multiple templates for different businesses you might have. This will save you a lot of time, so it is worth to set up your templates in advance before you start creating your emails. Last action in the column is account settings. Here you can set your time zone, which is very important because sometimes you want your email to be sent out at a certain time, and this setting will tell Mailingboss which time zone you are in. You will also be able to change the lead score. A lead score is what is applied to the subscriber when they open a campaign. Very useful if you to only send emails to subscribers that actually engage with your email. The other info you need to add in this area is your company details. Now on the left side menu is a floating menu, meaning you will be able to access this anywhere in Mailingboss. You will be able to go to your workflows, access all the subscriber options such as lists, tag manager, as well as price draw. Under emails, you will find all your emails, templates, and custom macros. You can create custom macros that you can use in your emails, especially if it is something like your email signature that you do not want to type each and every time. You can also send instant messages by clicking here. Note that you will need to have an account with Twilio with credits to be able to send an SMS. But in this area, you will also have access to send a WhatsApp. For that, you do not need credits. The next one is integrations. If you would like to integrate Mailingboss with other platforms such as Zapier or Pabbly, you will be able to create webhooks to use in those platforms. You will also find your integration key that you can use on your pages in your site with a specific rule that you create to track your subscriber through their journey and use those tags you create in your email sequence. Lastly, you will see settings. Here you can access your account and see all your domains and sender emails as well as your company details. This is all from this overview. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in another.